Hello and welcome to how to change and remove backgrounds in Photoshop. My name is Aaron Nace, I'm the founder of Phlearn, and I am so excited to bring you this pro tutorial. Learning to change and remove backgrounds in Photoshop will open up a world of possibilities. You'll be able to transport people around the world, changing out their backgrounds and making it look seamless. You'll also learn how to cut products out of their backgrounds, which is perfect for e-commerce, catalogs, or web display. We start off with the fundamentals. You'll learn all the tools and techniques necessary to create accurate selections and then use those selections to cut your subjects out non-destructively. We'll show you how to refine the edges of your selections to make them perfectly blend into the background, and even show you how to create new edges using a special technique in advanced brushes. This is going to allow you to cut hair out of any different situation. In Chapter 3, we go over 8 different examples of how to change colors, how to cut subjects out of a white background, and how to completely change the subject's background. We start with the simple and move towards the complex, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to cut out any subject you want and place them on a new background. We're gonna have an absolute blast and learn a ton. Welcome to how to change and remove backgrounds in Photoshop.